Hey guys, it's Reese, welcome back to the channel. Um, the finals for Toy Car Hockey may or may not be happening today. If they do happen today, it's not going to be a live stream, unfortunately, because I'm not going to have time to do one today, later on this afternoon, unfortunately. So yeah, and also I won't be able to do one tomorrow, really. Well, I could, it would just have to be done earlier, because tomorrow's Christmas Eve, obviously, so I couldn't do one later tomorrow evening. So yeah. Anyways, bye everyone. Thanks for watching. Have a great rest of your weekend. Also, Merry Christmas, everyone. Bye. Thanks for watching.